What is up, guys, ladies and gentlemen, kids of all ages? I guess I shouldn't say that. I'll probably get demonetized, right? Yeah, my eye is twitching. My eye always twitches when I'm about to get some money. And needless to say, I literally, 30 seconds before I started filming this video, just got done speaking to my attorney, David. And, you know, one of the things that the court does when you file a lawsuit is they try to get the parties to agree to settle the matter out of court, right? So they have like a settlement, not a hearing, but like my attorney gets with their attorney or whoever their representative is, and they try to work out a number or terms, because sometimes it's not always money, that are agreeable to both parties to keep it moving. Now, I'm ignorant as fuck, all right? You know, and I told David, I was like, I want $1 million. Like, did I think I was going to get $1 million? No. But the damage to my brand by somebody from Collision Works driving the green monster at over 100 miles an hour on public roads, running people off the road, and anything else they may have done that hasn't come to light yet with my car is, it's a damage to TK's Garage as a brand. And that was the purpose of the lawsuit, not the fact that you deprived me and you cost me money and the 3 months that I had to fucking sit there and you kept slow walking me and giving me all of this bullshit. Well, it looks like the court is inclined to agree that, you know, the photographic evidence and everything else that we have is enough to like slam them. And here's the thing. It doesn't fall back on Collision Works. It now falls back on Gerber. That's who's paying for the counsel, and that's who is dealing with the attorney to come to a settlement. Now, I'm talking about this now because we haven't agreed to a settlement yet. But I'm willing to bet that part of that settlement is going to be that I can't discuss the matter anymore. So I want to get this video in now before we agree to a settlement. I know it's a scumbag move, right? But come on, man. You guys are invested. You've been here with me the whole time. You guys want to see what happens with it. And all I can tell you is I'm definitely getting paid. Like this is not even, I'm gonna end up recouping probably all of my expenses for the time I was there and any lost revenue. Like I didn't get to go to Gap Fest. The car was supposed to go to St. Louis. I was supposed to go to Gap Fest. That was my thing. I was going there. I missed out on races and money that I could have made at Gap Fest. You know, because my car is so fast, you know, it was undefeated. But I can't even, that's such a hard lie. My car was fast, okay? That's all I can tell you. It was fast, all right? It was fast. There was money on the table, all right? There was money on the table, and I'm missing it because these dumbasses have my car and kept slow walking me. Now, it might not be as fast as that Mustang Mach-E that's approaching me from the side, but you know, I've just got jokes today. But anyways, so we're talking about it today because if we come to a settlement on Monday, my attorney told me, like, pretty sure that we can't talk about it. I'm not going to be able to disclose how much. So before I sign that agreement, we can talk about what we're looking at. I'm looking at about $12,000 in expenses from my time just frigging sitting there. So you're looking at $12,000 in expenses. The damage to my brand, I think, is somewhere in the range of, you know, $40,000, you know, give or take. And then the loss of the car, the events, the stuff that I missed out on, maybe like another 20 grand. And if I'm a reasonable guy, and I'm not, I'm a complete scumbag. I'm not reasoning anything. But if I'm a reasonable guy, you know, a reasonable guy can come to an agreement and say, you know what? Yeah, we can go ahead and agree to X amount of dollars. You know what I'm saying? And I'm probably, if I'm guessing, I'm probably going to end up getting about 35K is probably a safe number to say. Now, again, I can't confirm it with you guys. Once I sign this agreement, you know, I have to honor it. We may talk about other stuff. You know, I could end up doing a video talking about how much a potential car I'm looking at costs. You know, because we'd only be talking about how much this potential car I want to buy costs. That could happen. So stay tuned. But anyways, I wanted to give you guys this update. I know you guys were asking me about it, and I figured, you know, let's get this done. Let's talk about it. Let's get it out the way. And now you guys know what's going on with it. I didn't think it was actually going to go to trial or go to court because, I mean, let's be honest, it's a no-win situation for them. Between the video from the old lady's car, the person who used to work in the shop, who's a witness for us, the signed affidavits from other employees, like, they were quote-unquote fucked. And it's, again, I'm going to be clear about this. This was not Gerber's issue, okay? This was 100% not Gerber's issue. But they stepped up to the plate and, you know, from what we're seeing to this point, stepped up to the plate and are resolving it. And I appreciate that. You know, I appreciate it. And I wanted to give you guys, you know, an update so you guys knew exactly what was going on. So now that you guys know what that is, I want to thank you guys very much for, you know, popping in. And I got to give a major shout out to the new sponsor on the channel. And I know you guys probably haven't seen the vlog yet. With this, you know, the new vlog concerning this sponsor, but I'm going to talk about him today. The new sponsor on the channel, DoorDash. I figure we'll just get it in. Appreciate them. DoorDash is one of the great services that you can order anything in your area, like your favorite restaurants. They even do grocery store delivery now in select markets. And in even select markets, they may do other types of deliveries and non-food items. Definitely go check them out. Download the DoorDash app on iOS or Android today. You can also place an order through your PC or MacBook as well. But major shout out to them, and major shout out to all of you guys for watching these videos, man. Make sure to give the video a big thumbs up if you like what I do. Hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. And I will see you guys on the next one. Probably with a little bit fatter pockets.